This Run the Dish video is going to show you how to make a healthy version of the brownie. You'll need 1 large sweet potato cooked and mashed, a half a cup of gluten-free flour, a half a cup of cocoa powder, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, half a cup maple syrup, 1/4 cup melted coconut oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You can add chocolate chips if you like. Preheat your oven to 350 and coat your baking dish. Combine all ingredients into a bowl and mix well. Fold in the chocolate chips. Pour the mixture into the baking dish and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. After they're done, allow the brownies to cool for about 10 minutes before cutting and serving. Then enjoy! Thanks for watching!